And I'm using Classic Tan, Kiss Professional. This is also on iEnvy site. I didn't know that. The Kiss Professional Classic Tan. This is a 332, and this is what I use under my eyebrows. Trinish, hi. It's going good. I just been so busy today cleaning up. Lost track of time. Haven't rest all day, but I just pray that everything is about finished and about done. So trying to get that winter stuff. I still had my winter clothing in my closet because the weather be so funny. So I finally today had the day to clean it, my closet. And do you guys know what happened on the on YouTube? Last night it was glitching. Official, and you can see where you can purchase these particular lashes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start applying. I'm going to take this off here, and I'm going to kind of bend it to give it a shape. I'm going to use my Super 3D Adhesive Glue, one of my favorites. And I'm going to let it dry a little, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply. My favorite brush, I'm going to use my e.l.f. I'm going to use this one. I'm trying to get rid of this one because I like the other one better, but I'm going to finish using this one. I'm going to spray twice, and I'm just going to pat it on. I'm going to go back in with my green liner. Play around, do something different. Okay, so do a different color. Okay. I'm finish. I'm do my eyebrow. Let me see, Kim Nicole. You guys, if you haven't already, please go follow Kim Nicole. She is She is a makeup artist, MUA, Glam Persistent Cosmetics, and Pro. So if you guys haven't already, go follow her. I'm trying to pin you, but it won't let me. So you guys, I try to perfect my eyebrows as the best way I can. I think that's the closest I can get to them because I'm trying not to spend too much time. But when I don't get my eyebrows the exact way that I want it, I get kind of frustrated. Live, please show love to my channel and share my live. I'm trying to get up to at least 2,000 subscribers on here, and then YouTube we need to get up to 12,000 subscribers. So just using my orange, I'm just going to blend, blend, blend. And I'm going to use this little soft lavenderish pink color. Oops. I'm going to use that soft lavender pink color. And I'm just going to apply here. Is these colors giving you kind of like a watermelon color? What you guys think? What is it giving? Watermelon? Okay. Okay, so that's what I'm going to name my video. The watermelon makeup look tutorial. So, this is going to be it. Should I do another green, or I don't know if I have my yellow. I'm going to stick with green. I'm going to do my green liner. I don't want to keep getting up. I know that's kind of irritating. So, I'm going to do the green eyeliner. The eyeshadow just going to look different. And this liner is also by I Envy. This is called Shape. Okay. But I like to look at other makeup artists too, because I feel inspired, because everyone have their own techniques of doing makeup. So to me, it's no right or wrong, because everybody's skin texture is different as well. So once again, you guys, if you don't, please go follow Kim Nicole. She is a makeup artist, celebrity makeup artist. She's a pro. She does wonderful makeup, and I'm honored because she came on here, and it's just great to see other black women that do makeup or anything in the fashion industry, and I'm really happy. So I feel inspired. But please go follow her. Go follow her, please. And she does wonderful makeup, so you guys can get some tips too. So thank you, Kim, for coming on. You and Sassy, I think Entertainment, both of you ladies do makeup, and you ladies have both came on to my live, and I do thank you ladies a lot. I know me and Sassy were supposed to do a collaboration, but I don't know what happened. So, you know, I had a violation on my channel. I don't know what happened. I couldn't receive no messages So this week I just started back receiving messages, direct messages, and I can send out and receive now. So if anyone wants to collaborate with me, just let me know. We can do it on TikTok, or we can do it on YouTube or Instagram. I'm not a professional. I just like to have fun, so I just want to let you guys know. Okay? Oh, Kim, thank you. We got up to 3,000 likes. Thank you, Kim Nicole. Thank you so much. So we call this the watermelon makeup look. So should we mix some orange and plum together? Because this is I Envy New Line. This is the Balm Tinted Lip Stain. And it goes very smooth on your lips, and it gives a nice moisture. So, let me see. This is the orange. This one is the plum. I think I might leave my lips like this. I might not even mix it in. I want to step out my comfort zone. But this is the Ruby Kisses Balm Up Tinted Lip Balm, and this is the color Plum 06. They have different colors, but I just picked the plum and the tangerine. This one is called Tangerine, and this is number 03. So if you're interested, please go to ivyusa.com, and you can just put lip balm, and it should pop right up. And they have so many different lip colors, and we also are having a sale. So I'm an ambassador with I Envy. So if you guys are interested, I think they have like a 15 or 20% off for Mother's Day. So if you're interested, go shop now. You get like head scarves, blow dryers, and combs, brushes, anything you name it. They just don't have wigs on there and hair. That's it. But everything you would need for us ladies, we have. This one is the plum. I think I might leave my lips like this. I might not even mix it in. I want to step out my comfort zone. But this is the Ruby Kisses Balm Up Tinted Lip Balm, and this is the color Plum 06. They have different colors, but I just picked the plum and the tangerine. This one is called Tangerine, and this is number 03. So if you're interested, please go to ivyusa.com, and you can just put lip balm, and it should pop right up. And they have so many different lip colors, and we also are having a sale. So I'm an ambassador with I Envy. So if you guys are interested, I think they have like a 15 or 20% off for Mother's Day. So if you're interested, go shop now. You get like head scarves, blow dryers, and combs, brushes, anything you name it. They just don't have wigs on there and hair. That's it. But everything you would need for us ladies, we have it. And also for men. Well, you know, men, y'all come down later. That's with June for Father's Day, but we talking about Mother's Day. So the ladies want to buy their mother or aunt or niece or a friend something. They have gift sets as well that you'd be very interested in. So go check out it. The website is called ivyusa.com. So this is my look for tonight. Kim Nicole, if you're still on the live, thank you so much. She told me to step out my comfort zone. She told me to do something a little different. She is a makeup artist. Kim Nicole is spelled